Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lead a Better Life. I am Mohit Maheshwari and today I am here with you with some of the Vastu tips specifically related to master bedroom. Why master bedroom? Because our whole life actually revolves, most of the time of our life is in master bedroom. And the time we spend in master bedroom is very crucial to our life. So let's start with the direction of the master bedroom. Okay, so before starting with the direction of master bedroom, I will also be giving a very important work from home tip in the end of this video. So don't skip that part, that is very important, and stay with the complete video to watch that part. And if you have not subscribed this channel, then do subscribe Lead a Better Life for any further updates for astrological as well as Vastu tips. So let's start. What should be the direction of master bedroom? Best position for or direction of the master bedroom is southwest of your apartment or house. So why southwest? Because southwest is the direction of stability, and whosoever lives in that direction, or the master of the house, if the master of the house is sleeps in that direction or remain in that direction, then it brings stability to that person's life. Now coming on to next very most important part of the master bedroom is bed. Your bed. So what should be the direction of the bed? The bed should be towards southwestern corner of the room. So when I say southwestern corner of the room, so it should be placed in such a way that the person who is sleeping on the bed, his or her head should be in the south direction. Why south direction? Because as per the Vastu, your head of the body is being considered north, and if you align yourself with the earth's gravitational pull, then north and south will bring prosperity and very good sleep to your body. Now there is a possibility that this position is not possible, wherein you can place your head in the south, towards the south direction. Then what is the alternate position? Now if this bed position is not possible, then sleep in a way so that while sleeping your head should be in east direction. So there are two directions where you can in which direction you can sleep. One is eastern, where your head should be in east, and other one is the direction where your head should be in the south direction. Now coming on to the next most very important part of the bedroom is dressing table. What should be the direction of dressing table? It can be in the east or the northern part of the room, east or northern part of the master bedroom. Cupboards should be placed in such a way that they open in the north direction. Why north direction? Because in cupboards you keep all of your valuable items, your wallet, your jewelry, everything, and the north is the direction of the Kuber. So you have to put your cupboard in such a way so that it opens in the north direction. Next is attached bathroom. So attached bathroom should be towards the eastern side of the master bedroom, or should be at the southeast corner of the master bedroom. So this is all for master bedroom. Now the most important thing about your work location or work from home tip, which I have told you during the start of this video. So when you sit in during your work hours, either in office or during this corona period when you are working from home, so what should be your direction? Where should you sit to bring prosperity in your work as well? You should be facing north direction or east direction. So if you face north direction or east direction while working from home or sitting in office, it will bring prosperity and peace of mind at work as well. Thank you very much. This is all from master bedroom perspective. I will keep on creating such kind of videos focusing on one particular room of our house, and I have started with the entrance gate of the house, which you can see in the link which I am sharing in this video. If you want to know more about Vastu tips, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.